Welcome everyone. In this video, we will try to solve these two state equation. The first equation, that is our y1 dash equals to 5y1 plus 1 by 2, and y2 dash equals to 3y1 plus 3y2. So here basically this y1 and y2 are the state variables. Okay. So using these two equation, we have to solve this one. So in such cases, we have to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector, and how we can find how we can make the matrix. Okay, and how we have to find the eigenvalue and eigenvector and its solution in its time domain. So finally we have to make the solution in time domain. Okay, so now from these two equations, say equation number 1 and equation number 2. So from these two equations, we can say there is a matrix, that is our 5 3 1 and 3. So these 5 and 3, 1 and 3 is a matrix. Okay, after that this one is our matrix. Now we have to solve for the eigenvalue and eigenvector. Okay, so if any state equation is there, then we have to write some matrix, say A, write the coefficient of y1 y2. Okay, y1 y2 coefficient of the second equation. Then we have to go for the eigenvalue calculation. For the eigenvalue calculation, we have to go for the a minus lambda I equals to 0. Okay, so after that what we can write, a minus lambda I, so we can write 5 minus lambda 1. Then after it should be 3, and 3 minus lambda equals to 0. Okay, so now we can write this as a 5 minus lambda 3 minus lambda minus 3 equals to 0. From this one we can say it should be 15, 5 into 3 15, minus 5 lambda minus 3 lambda plus lambda square minus 3 equals to 0. Okay, so now here I am writing. Okay, here I am writing the same thing. Okay, so after that we can write this as a lambda square. Okay, then 5 and 3, so minus 8 lambda, then 15 minus 3, it should be 12 equals to 0. Okay, so now we have to, this is quadratic equation 12, so what should be the term, minus 6 lambda minus 2 lambda, simple mathematics. Okay, so we can find the eigenvalue, so it should be lambda minus 6 minus 2 lambda minus 6 equals to 0. So it should be our lambda minus 2 lambda minus 6 equals to 0. So we have 2 lambda value, 2 and 6. Okay, so we can say these two are the eigenvalues. Okay, so one can write this one also as lambda 1 2 and lambda 2 is our 6. Okay, so this one is the very first case, very first step. Okay, to find out the eigenvalue. Okay, if anything is there, first we have to find the eigenvalue. Okay, so one more thing that I want to tell you, means if dy by dt equals to some function, say ay, the origin of this eigenvalue and eigenvector. So if dy by dt equals to ay, then the solution I already derived in my earlier video. So y is nothing but simply e to the power lambda t into x. Okay, so if this one is the differential equation, a first order differential equation, so y should be e to the power lambda t x. How? Means if it differentiate with respect to t, it should be lambda e to power lambda t x. So we can say this a times of x equals to lambda x, that we know the formula ax. So if a is there, ax equals to lambda x. So we can write this one by 8 pi x equals to lambda x. So it is coming from this one. All I already derived the expression. Okay, so this one we have to write in terms of y. So this one is the time domain expression for a dy by dt is a function of y1 y2 like that. Okay, so the answer will be in e to power eigenvalue t x like that. Okay, so before that we have to find the this x represents the vector vector vector. So we have to find this x. So now again we have to go for the, in such question first we have to find the eigenvalue and the corresponding eigenvector. So now we have to find the eigenvector for lambda 1 equals to 2. So we have to focus on this matrix. Okay, this matrix. So what I am doing, I am writing 5 minus 2. Okay, instead of lambda I am putting 2, 1 and 3, 3 minus 2. Okay, this one is a matrix. Okay, this one is a matrix. Okay, oh, okay, so this one is a matrix. So we can write this as a 5 minus 2, 3, 3, 1 and 1. Okay, so now we have to, if we multiply with some vector and when it equates with 0, so this x will be the, what we can say, the eigenvector. So just think about this matrix is our b. So b equals to 3 1 and 3 1. Okay, so this is a row r1 and this one is a r2. So if we go for the reduction, broad reduction, if r2 change with r2 minus r1, so what will be the matrix? 3 1 and the r2 row will be 0. And if we multiply with some vector x1 x2, so it gives 3x1 plus x2 equals to 0. So we can write 3x1 equals to x2. Okay, so we can, after that we can easily find the value of x1 and x2. So what should be the answer? So we can write, when we are keeping x1 equals to, if let x1 equals to 1, x2 becomes 3. So the value of the, we can say, the eigenvector is nothing but simply 1 and 3. Okay, sorry, there is a mistake. X2 minus time minus, so it should be minus 3. Okay, there should be minus. Okay, so it should be 1 and minus 3 be the eigenvector for lambda equals to 2. Okay, so this one I am highlighting this portion. This one for lambda equals to 2, the corresponding eigenvector will be 1 and minus 3. Similarly, we have to go for lambda equals to what? 2 is the other one and 6. So again what we can write? 5 minus 6, 1 and 3 minus 6. Okay, so it should be our minus 1, 3, 1 and minus 3. Okay. So now this one say though R1 and R2. This one is some technique to find out the eigenvector. So now we have to go for the row reduction method. So we can write R2 can be simply R2 plus 3 times of R1. Is it okay? R2 equals to R2, if we change the R2 row with R2 plus 3 times of R1, so it should be 0 and 0. Now after that, this one is nothing but simply our B matrix. So now Bx equals to 0. So minus 1, 1, 0, 0, and then x1, x2 equals to 0. So we can write this as a minus x1 plus x2 equals to 0. So x1 equals to x2. So when we put x1 equals to 1, x2 will become also 1. So the eigenvector value become 1 and 1 for the lambda equals to 6. So this one is the eigenvector eigenvector for lambda 2, lambda equals 2 and lambda equals to 6. Okay, now we have to write the time equation. So how? Okay, so before that, once again I am writing the, for lambda equals to 2, the eigenvector is 1 minus 3, and lambda equals to 6, the eigenvector is 1 and 1. Now we know that yt is nothing but simply our y1t and y2t, and it is a function of e to power lambda t, okay, and x. So we can, one can write lambda I, so it should be our lambda 1 t x, okay, due to eigenvalue lambda 1 plus e to power lambda 2 t and eigenvector. So we can write this as a e to power for say lambda 2. So it should be 2t, and we have to write 1 minus 3, okay, plus e to the power 6t into 1 of 1. So this one is the solution for the corresponding state equation. One can also write some constants, say a and b. So we can write some constant a and b. Okay, so this one for the value of yt. Now for y 0, if t 0, it should be a 1 minus 3 plus b 1 of 1. So this one is the concept to solve the linear equation, okay, a state equation. So this one is the solution. We can directly find this value y1t, y1t and y2t. Okay, so first step we have to write the matrix, then after we have to go for the eigenvalue and eigenvector calculation. Then as we know, dy by dt equals to ay. So this one, once again I want to write d, that thing you have to keep in your mind. Then dy by dt equals to ay. So y equals to, very simple, differential equation is there, then the solution is e to power lambda t into x. So from here it is also a to power x power lambda x, a to power x equals to lambda x. So these are the some few concepts that we have to keep in our mind to solve any simple numerical of a state equation and eigenvalue and eigenvector calculation. So thank you for watching.